Hi, this is Ben with Total Pickleball. Welcome into the studio today. I'm excited to show you 3 new paddles from Engage brand. This is the Encore Pro. Now you guys are familiar with the Encore that weighs about 7.5 ounces. If that paddle's too light for you, this is definitely going to be one you want to try. It weighs in at about 7.9 to 8.3 ounces. With that, it's going to come more stability, more power, and a more centralized, focused, and powerful sweet spot. Now it retails at about 85 bucks. But it's really one of the best values of any paddle that you can get on our site. It's got the fiberglass composite hitting surface and the polymer core, just like the Encore, but it's got a little beef for that extra pop to the ball. It comes in 4 different cosmetics. Now moving on to the Engage Encore Blade. You guys may have seen this paddle before, but it's more of a singles paddle. It does weigh in at about 7.9 to 8.3 ounces. It's 17 inches long and 6.5 inches wide. And what they did is they created a paddle that flexes. So as you go to swing through your ball, that paddle's kind of flexing, and as you hit the ball, it's going to create even more energy, even more pop into that ball. It's a great paddle for singles, but you'll see it on the doubles court as well. Again, it's got the fiberglass composite hitting surface, it's got that polymer core, and it retails at $85 in just this one cosmetic, but it's very clean and universal, a great paddle for both singles and doubles. And last but not least, this is the Encore Lite. Now if you guys have played with the Encore Pro, and maybe they're a little bit too heavy for you, this is definitely going to be a paddle you want to check out. It weighs 6.7 to 7 ounces. With that, it's going to come a lot of accuracy, but a super quick reaction and a very fast swing. It's got the fiberglass hitting surface and the polymer core, so all the characteristics of the Encore that you love are going to be in this paddle. It's just a little bit lighter. Now it comes in 4 different cosmetics and retails at about 75 bucks. If you guys like a light paddle, definitely going to want to check this out. Now all these paddles are available for demos. If you want to check that out or buy these paddles, make sure to check us out at TotalPickleball.com.